you know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Shadi Mori TV.
Shadi Mori TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube. Yo.
Yeah. Shadi Mori, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. I'm forward back with the next cartel update. Yeah man, me a update on up on the cartel case, cause you don't know say we are expect the boss to forward a road before December. And now it's the ending of October, soon to be November, and still no sign of Vybz Kartel. And this is the reason why. Lawyers are uncertain when verdict will be reached in the Vybz Kartel case. People, how I go on right there, so me not understand. So me I go read this article from the Jamaica Star, and it was published today. That's today, October the 25th, 2018. And it says, as Vybz Kartel's fans eagerly await a verdict for the outcome of his appeal, his lawyers are not so certain if this will happen in the near future. Attorney at law Bert Samuel, who is representing Sean Storm, told the Star that he is still unsure of a verdict would be reached soon. There are really no indication as to when a verdict will be reached, but Sean Campbell is very upbeat and optimistic that he will be a free man and back on the road soon, he said. Earlier this year, Samuel said he was hoping that decision would be made during the last quarter of this year, but with less than 60 days to go, a blanket of uncertainness still hovers. Kartel and 3 of his 4 co-accused were found guilty in 2014 for of the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams, marking the end to a keenly watched 65-day trial. Vybz Kartel, Sean Storm, Kyra Jones and Andre St. John were convicted of killing Williams at a house in Avidale, St. Andrew in August 2011. They were all given mandatory life sentence, with Kartel, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, ordered to serve 35 years before eligible for parole. Campbell, Jones and St. John were given 25 years before become eligible for parole.
Dirty Babylon, go down dirty Babylon, go down dirty Babylon, go down dirty Babylon. Pick up every prisoner, pick up every waller. Out the road, me say Babylon say jail for me. Beg the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jah control me destiny.
Me want go. Me want go. Listen, you can't get from my prison.
So people, remember, you know, it's not like them a say Vybz Kartel now come a road. Them just don't know when Vybz Kartel a road come a road. But all of the Gaza fans them and all of the dancehall supporters them and all of Jamaica want to see Vybz Kartel come a road. Because what? Vybz Kartel have to follow the road, you know. Free world boss, that we say. And if you feel like say Vybz Kartel a come a road, just comment in the comment section. Free world boss, you know what I mean? I'm pretty this. That case there a one big mix-up case. Because in it, phone they call itself. Me don't know how that. Me don't know what kind of phone Vybz Kartel did I use. And I doubt it was a smartphone. Because them time the smartphone never do it at. Hold on. Blackberry had the smartphone, yeah. But Blackberry are like the dunce version of smartphone. So I would even say Blackberry a smartphone. You see me? Them phone that we are use nowadays, them Galaxy S Wally and them iPhone 10 and them things. Them never debut. So more have to know how the phone call itself at that point. You think that the judge them a eat that? The judge them just go so booms and make sure look through the case thoroughly and say, oh, alright. The youth, yeah, we all let him go, you know. But we could just look good. Because even though a big portion of Jamaica wants him follow the road, you have a next portion, or a little portion where don't want him see her come a road. But you see, the part there are them call the shots in a Jamaica, them are the stronghold in a Jamaica. You see me? So that small portion is really a big portion. Don't want him forward the road. You see me? But Cartel, I go forward that road, man. You see it? It's just a matter of time. I'm wanting to look into it. The trial was long. A matter of fact, before Cartel get tried, it was long. Because Cartel did lock up from 2011 and they never try him until 2014. See? And Goso Booms are the longest trial in the history of Jamaica. And the appeal is long. So you must expect the verdict to be long. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I just them few words that me have to say. And if you like what me I do, just click the like button, man. And please subscribe and tell everybody in your family to subscribe. Tell all your friends them. People, don't be selfish. Don't keep the whole of them information and don't keep that link here to yourself. Just share it, man. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And I'm out.
On the bed, you fi bang it again. And if you take it as a door, you slam it again. Bubble, bubble, till long, than a shower head. Bubble, bubble, till long, than a river bed.
Underwater me, underwater me, underwater.